नमस्ते सभी को, स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ आज सुजलॉन एनर्जी will expect stock to rally 54% from current level on better risk reward. Multiple concerns have weighed on Suzlon Energy stock price recently, but Motilal Oswal believes that at the current price, those concerns appear the factors in. Suzlon Energy Ltd shares have the potential to raise up to 54% from current level. Brokerage firm Motilal Oswal wrote in its note on Tuesday, January 20. The brokerage maintains its buy recommendation on the stock with a price target of 74, which indicates an upside potential of 54% from current level. Motilal also wrote in the note that the Suzlon Energy shares have been under pressure recently as investors have been concerned about the contributions of the world shares in the tender from the solar segment and a slow price of wind installation and a rising competitive instantly in the wind segments. Data center, commercial, industrial, consumer and PSU could together drive in criminal wind demand of 20 to 24 GW by 2030 over the above the India's target of 100 GW capacity by financial year 2030 according to Motilal Oswal. Suzlon Energy strategy to scale up it is the EPC share to 50% of it is the order book gives the company a meaningful competitive advantage. The company's superior attraction tax record vs domestic sphere coupled with the limited participation of Chinese OEMs in the EPC space position Suzlon Energy favorable to capture a complex and the large scale project. Motilal Oswal notes said. Out of 40 GW project with the pending price and purchase the agreement PPAS industry sends the SEC suggested that nearly 17 GW are pure solar which win accounting for negligible share. The management also says the expos emerging as an additional growth driver with order expected in early financial year 2017 and the supply starting from the financial year 2028. At the current price, the concern regarding Suzlon Energy appear to be priced in the risk reward is the favorable. Motilal note started Suzlon Energy is the consensus buy among analysts as all 9 of them have a buy rating on the stock. In the next 2 years, we should cross the 10 gigawatts mark. Suzlon Group's the executive vice chairman Grish Tanti said in the exclusive chat with CNBC TV 18 on the sidelines of the World Economic Forum in the Davos. Looking further ahead, he added that capacity could rise to about 13 to 15 gigawatt by 2030, supported by annual manufacturing capacity of nearly 20 gigawatt and expert demand. Shares of the Suzlon Energy index 1% lower on Monday at 47.94. The stock is down 37% from its 52-week high of 74.47, which also happened to be Motilal Oswal price target.